So hello and welcome to our video of Poonam Trading and Construction again. So in this video we are going to take you through the entire process of how to convert AutoCAD 2D drawing, which is in DWG format, into SKB format, means in SketchUp. So we are going to model DWG file into SketchUp in perspective view. So this plan is basically useful for easily understanding of clients so that they can finalize the plan fastly and more conveniently. So guys, let's get started. Hello guys, so first we will introduce the 2D house plan we were working with. So this is our house plan. It's a typical residential floor plan. Our goal is to bring it to life in 3D. Now we will save this AutoCAD drawing in desired location so we can find it easily while importing it in SketchUp. So now let's move to SketchUp. We will show you how to import the AutoCAD DWG file into SketchUp while preserving the scale and layout. So this is the 2D model which is imported from AutoCAD 2D. So with the 2D drawing imported, we will start modeling in top view. This is where we will use SketchUp tool to create the 3D layout of this house. First, we make group by using rectangle tool.
Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all.
So now it's completed, and now we will make it group for easy access and inconvenience. Now this 2D project is in group. By using push-pull tool, we will exclude wall to desired height.
Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I
After that, we will model window by making a desired space on the wall. And then this portion will cut out by the use of push-pull tool. Similarly, we will make another opening for windows. So we will rotate windows portion for cutout. So now all windows are created. Now we will design the upper part of door by taking the use of rectangle tool and press pulling it. Similarly, all portion were excluded. After that, we will model floor of each room so that we can easily apply materials in that.
In the dark we fight, you take the wrong and you make it right. Like a firefly, you are glowing at night. So don't make it right.
Now make every floor in group.
Hold you tight when you're cold. I'm waiting for your love. You just keep me hanging on.
Then we will going to import some windows
I will find my way.
and placing it whenever it is necessary.
I will find my way.
We use scale option to fit the windows in desired location. Now we have to apply some flooring material to all tiles. So this is the gallery of V-Ray. It is V-Ray material gallery. There are various types of material available in there. So best material I choose it. So I choose a material, apply it, and then after scaling it.
Just stay tight, we have to go. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry.
Yes, now it seems okay.
Leave me this
Same material applied on another portion.
stay with me while we leave. Stay with me while we
Similarly for bedrooms also.
worry. Just believe me this
Every material is required to scale. Default it is not in perfect size shape, so you have to scale it every time you apply. Similarly applying material to every part where it is needed, and then we will import furniture. Which is required to beautify our model. This type of furniture is easily available in the SketchUp warehouse, so you can download it easily. Similarly, chairs. Similarly, kitchen layout also. Now placing door in the same way of exporting.
Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown.
This is a render view. It seems okay. Now we will add some beds and bedroom materials. Now this is a render, secondary render. Now we have to apply some ground or grass, and it has to be scaled. Now we will make some settings of V-Ray. You can see it by pausing video. And there you have it. We have successfully transformed a 2D house plan into a detailed 3D model and then rendered it in V-Ray for stunning visuals. This process is crucial for architects, interior designers, and anyone interested in 3D architecture visualization. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more exciting tutorial. Thank you for watching.